I'm on the road again. I'm on my way to Greenville, South Carolina, taking a scenic route. I'm now in Lancaster County, South Carolina.
Stage.
It's my friend Michelle LeVar, and she works here in Greenville.
In Greenville. At the theater. Here we are. This is our lobby with our art display on the wall.
Sweet Michelle.
Hey!
We have any final plan on our production meeting, or we're not going to do one, or we are going to
Friday at 3 o'clock.
Friday, 3 o'clock. Friday, 3 o'clock. Hello, am I on camera?
You are on camera.
Yes, Hiram Guy, this is our technical director.
Hello, sorry.
Nice to meet you. It's all good.
Amy just finished up the show, the set that you see on stage
Okay.
now is for, that was Souvenir.
Cool.
So they are moving things out of the way so that we can move our
Practice.
show in.
Well, I'm at Scott and Jess's house near Greenville, and we're all doing studying and catching up on work stuff. This is their place. And tomorrow is a house show. Oh yes. Jess is waving. Tomorrow's a house show, and I don't know what I'll do all day, but I'll find something to do. Museums. The museums are good and free. Some of them. So I'll probably check that out.